That one you go manage that one. Useless set of people. Enogie wey dey your wife. Your wife will be say he breast be like tapoli. How? I just dey shame. Your wife breast will be like tapoli. Ẹ̀wọ̀n wo hàn? Èmi kì nọ̀rọ̀ àgbẹ̀yẹ̀gbẹ̀dín ọ̀vun ọ̀yẹ̀kwa. Wàá zọ̀ yóò rẹ̀ media. Wàá lè wẹ́ no la wà uvẹ́ vie wọ́n yìí nù. Ẹ̀wọ̀n wíwú. Not be your wife they control you for us. Your wife not being they control you for us. Are you a man of your own word? Useless set of people. Anybody will come this comment section, come talk rubbish for here. Ya mogun gbera, ya mu egbiju. La wa no avie. Go and sleep. Nobody call you come here. Nobody need your fucking opinion. You put it inside the trash. Now I say block this one. You can't wear era visual camera, man. I can't see era visual. So, as I was saying, now let's go to Franco Mozuo. Oh, me argue with my brother because they say we answer as a donor. Oh, Baba, me argue with because all the Baba things when fit compare you, they even see too good to compare you. Yes, now dead body. Awa your man no wu, o man no wu ke mas or we bros. Because o man no wu, or made the opportunity no ya we gbe adiagbon lata me wu wa adiagbon. The only thing no ya we gbe adiagbon wa lalu uwoko ne period DJ. The person, the dead body no go accept to. You say make I come back to life. The only way I fit come back to life now if I come the leak period. Woman to two-way period day. He go say, "What say me anywhere in Niger? My brother, we wounded. You are there among the living already. You are a dead man. We wounded, my brother. Agree. We wounded, be. Una we be say una fe dey come this media, come dey talk rubbish to una mama head. Now una come for so. Yes. I not get una time ever since because I just see una they do a lot of rubbish. But you see this one will happen so. Una run come outside, come they set camera. The Enogie way they go put am in my song. Can they dance like this? Can they dance like this? Oh, he joue no ogo avagun. We dan ou lari. Again, now I be your bros, Enogie. The time where they take born you, it was not me be your parents. It was not me be your mama or your papa. The time where they all settle down born you, do you go market? Do you go buy small goat? You know that small goat now? Or that puppy? All those I say puppy, all that small goat now. They'll go buy and put for compound. It go they run up and down, they chop grass. With the chop grass. It better pass where they ought to born you, your country you reach like this, then you turn to disappointment for you and your generation. It's a shame. It's a big shame. Who be this one? Wa bera wa bijou. Wa afian wu. Ou nou e bi kwa mi. And then you marry. Yes. Now we are going back to Frank or Mozuo. That's what I wanted to do. If I come up for this one, I will enter this one. If I come up for this one, I will enter this one. If I don't give una the way they hungry me, Then I'll enter house, I'll sleep like this, I'll sleep like small baby with a newborn. Anna, who be this one? And as for you, Franco Mozuo, a video no ya me a show. Now a superstar Emau, go omo egi. Una disgrace egbuwa. I don't dare. Omo jagbada a concert. Oide, yana banwewa. I do my drink, guy. Bro, I dey ship for you. You dress come out for house. We jagbada na mu vie luru. Una ari show. Wa asioligi. We say va make kon bi. Here is egbe. They beat and finishing. As if they go as if, even the singlet when you wear tear for your neck. Bro, I was so ashamed. But you fool yourself, sha. You see the way they beat you. You see the way you humiliate yourself for public, for life. They can't dey. What is this up now? I beg TikTok, I beg. Let me do this video in peace. Person we agbada go party, may go enjoy. If they come back, na boss out and singlet, it can't come back. How? What happen? How will you know? Therefore, you break your head because you no get sense. Therefore, you break your head or maybe you end you for there. So that another day you feel they stay inside your house. You don't make my finish. Cut to Egypt. Una gele mugbo na me ari kini ana we show. Una me ahia. We say van gele gbo. Ogele jeme. I watch the video laugh and kill me. Yes, in case you don't know, na Sirakoko account they use to do this live. Na Sirakoko account they use. You know, I never had time for anybody. You understand? But one thing I want to tell now. From today henceforth, if I see any, they call themselves social media presenter, but me they call on a bunch of clowns. Now waiting me they call now because now waiting be for my face. So if I see una come outside the gate call the fool and self, no worry now. Me I dey here. I'll just see come out for now the way yours is supposed to be. It is never enough. Now what they talk say is enough. If they give me chance, I ready to call off for those people think that kingdom come because here one agbon. Now we are going back to Enogie. Now I felt to understand so wanted to do one. If we come on from here, go entire. Now let's go back to Enogie. Let's go back to Enogie. Enogie. Make I tell you one thing where you don't know. You know, say, not be the time where person take fuck up. Not be that time come and take they come. Your karma will wait for you for front. Now me be your karma. Me, David, now me be your karma. Who be this one? I feel block your papa at first. You know, so your papa and mama not get respect for us now. Or maybe your karma, my brother. The only advice one just give you. I not talk say as a brother or as a friend, because for me to mingle with human being like you, I swear to God, I just go psychiatric, carry one mad person, come outside, I'll put on for house. Me and now they do the friendship, rather to be friends with you. So I'm going to advise you. Enogie we. They say Enogie we na be your name. Wow, have you already? So I'm going to advise you. I'm going to advise you as somebody who wants your life to change for good. Anywhere you for see lady or song matter, remove your mouth, remove your head. Hide your head. Shey you dey hear me so? Na just wetin I wan make I tell you be that one. Owo kan no raw. Opo e ga don. Opo e ga don the background. You know we kita no biokpa. Come on. Oga van. Yi. Okonuwe yi. You no fit even shame your dog, bro. You no fit shame your dog. That idiot wey see born him bear for you. He born him bear for you. You no even reach you say he born him bear for you. He go see the get pride on top. The him bear say we born for you. Is that not a shame? Not be shame be that one. Who be this one where they talk say this is not nice? If they call they talk to your papa and your mama anyhow, no worry, you go enter house go dey sleep. All this one they come they talk say saga. I don't have time for that bullshit. Sure you get me? I don't have time for that bullshit, but I'm just letting you guys know that for those of una wey be so na don dey come on this social media space to come dey drag una family head, na una come for. Not be the good ones wey be say they come online as they see wetin dey happen, they talk the good things wey they suppose talk. Not be there they talk to Osaloba Afiagbowa for the good work una do. But for those ones wey be say they come online, come dey humiliate head. Now come for. Then Don Mugu. Don Mugu. The one wey wear blue scarf for head. Run come outside for TikTok when they talk rubbish. Also a big bros. It don't reach your turn, You know what I want to tell you? I go advise you, go to your father's village. If you reach your papa village, go look for mad person for your papa village. You hear me? If you feel find I know say mad people full now, they must surely they'll full na village, because if they're not full na village, that madness you know fit dey extend to you and your mama and your papa when I come and let the full na self. You feel me? So just find any mad person for na village. If you see the mad person, tell am say the madness wey dey inside your head. Tell am say the madness wey dey inside your head. Say e never reach you to demonstrate your work. Say abeg, make it teach you work finish, or make it give you some advice, so that you know you're the bother to dey come TikTok again. You the mad they go for street. Make the teach you work so that you the mad they go for street. Who be this one? Akaosa agbera visual. When I boroboro ya koko. When you jouer with an akaosa vigwe. Wa agbe o fi anwu. Nene yimari. Yes. You need to go learn that madness. Where? The one that say, what did they happen to this man? We don't know, say, he don't dey mad though. Now madness what they doing like this. If not to help him, can I go psychiatric? May they help his life out. Rubbish. Now if you say na alone na sabi mad. Na alone na sabi talk. come online now dey misbehave. Enogie wey dey go dey fool himself for small children because of TikTok gift, because of flower wey dem wan give you. Small children dey insult you, all their lumba, all that their age. Well, I only have one last message for you before I go. You say na so I dey na Google I dey drink. This is herbs. So if I don't take am like this, I will give you my last message. Then I'll leave you for hand of God. If you like, your life not later straight to your life not come later straight to. Now come you and your family business that time. Because they say a mad person don't dey mad, they don't know saying they mad. Now the people wey dey around them, now the madness they affect. You know now. If person dey mad, for example, you know say they mad. Now only the people wey dey around that go know say this our brother don't dey mad oh. Now be Enogie and from Victor case now. Inya memene but omagiya na yegiya memene. Edogbo no si Kenya o itamiya na wiya memene. Walao wa gari yo boniya egege. Ai ke me wiya memene laibu. Awa me mi adiyan. This one say where you dey. I dey one say make you not fear for where I dey. I dey okay. I dey one say I no fear. So, Lady Chopper. I don't talk with you, I want to talk. Yes. I don't already tell now what I want to tell now. If you can't see, my mom want take my advice. This one I do now so now small. Now small now I do now so. Because if I want come and say the again for now, that one it go dey very brutal. So now what I say I want just tell now be this one. No sense.